Absentee right now is another great list we're liking to market to, because here's the problem that we've seen since the start of the year. Taxes have gone way up. Interest rates are high. Insurance costs are high. Rents are high. There's these people that are living in their home, and if they don't have like a foreclosure pending, they don't have really any real benefit or interest to sell their house, because where do they go? And this is the question I've been getting from them. Well, yeah, I'd love to sell my house and get 50 grand, but where do I go? I'm like, well, shit, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You got no credit. You got no money. Your house is a dump as it is. You're not going to get much for it, you know? And it's like, for even what you're paying for your house, even maybe on taxes alone, like you're not even going to get a decent rental for that price. So it's like, yeah, this house may be a dump, but it's your dump that you live in. You know what I mean? Like, it's your home, you know it. So it's like, I'm not here, and I hope you guys look at this the same way. I'm not here to steal anybody's house. You understand? Like, I'm not in that business. I'm here to help out people that need help. So for those people, we're like, look, you shouldn't sell right now. You can't afford to. You sell your house, you have nowhere to go. You don't have family. You don't have anywhere to go. At least you have a roof over your head. It may not be ideal, but you got somewhere to stay. So we started seeing that a lot. So it was just wasted effort on our marketing budget. So what we ended up doing is switching to just absentees. And so absentees, they don't have that attachment. It's a second home, third home, investment property, burned out landlord, whatever it is. So if they're interested, we can strike a deal, because I don't have to deal with that where do I go question. They don't have that question.